Hello all, welcome to my session on AngularJS. So in today's video, we are going to see that what is AngularJS modules. So as a part of that, we'll be covering the decorator, that is ng module, and ng module is a kind of the decorator provided if you want to declare any module into the Angular. So module is basically the compilation context provided for all the components, directive, pipe, or services. So as I shown you here, this is how the component modules will look like. If you go to the code, when you create application, inside that there would be app module.ts file. So inside that, if you can see that the decorator ng module is used, and it is a normal class but just having some decorator on it, and inside that decorator there are some fields like declaration. So declaration is getting used to define your components or the services or other things like directives. Then imports is used if you are using any modules other than the current module, then it can be used as a imports. Then providers would be used to provide some services, or if anything needs to be provided to this Angular app for usage purpose, so that would be used across the application. Then bootstrap would be the initial loading stuff, that what needs to be a starting point for this application, so that needs to be mentioned into the bootstrap. So app component is a starting point. So if you see here, this is the starting component, this is the app component from where the application would start, and then last one is export. So this ng module is like a JavaScript module, so if you can export anything, and that can be used by the other modules as well. So in module we can see that how in application the modules would look like. So modules and component relation. So if you see here, if I'm having the two modules, one is root module A, so component A, and root component B. So if inside that components, if there are different component like A1, A2, A3, B1, B2, and B3, then the as a part of this ng module, it will provide the kind of compilation context for all of them, and they will be working under the same module. Like ng module A would be having A1, A2, A3, and B module would be having a B1, B2, B3. And if A module wants to use the B, then B module needs to be imported into the A module, and then the B1, B2, and B3 can be easily accessible. So next point on this is the difference between kind of next one will consider the difference between the ng module and JavaScript module. So if you see the JavaScript module concept, it would be used for the purpose that you can easily export any classes and you can use elsewhere. So in JavaScript modules, you can need to export the classes, and then you need to import them. But in AngularJS, the same concept AngularJS follows, but the modules would be declared by the decorator, that is ng module. And then if you want to use it elsewhere, you have to use the import tag like JavaScript modules, and you can use it elsewhere, whatever is the exported from that module. So that is the main difference both are having. So this is onto the ng modules. We have covered that how the decorator is declared, how it is getting used into the application, and then we have seen that how the ng modules and components works in their context, and then we have seen the JavaScript and AngularJS modules differences. So thank you so much for listening my video. Keep subscribing to the channel, and please click onto the bell icon so you will get the latest update onto the channel, onto the videos. So thank you so much for your time.